In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can copy a text and how we can paste it on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So if you want to copy a text, usually you can just press and hold your finger on at least one word that you want to copy, if it's possible to at least select the text. So let's say I'm gonna use this article over here as an example, and if I press and hold my finger on any of these words, then they should be highlighted. And as you can see, we have these blue like droplets or something, these markers, which we can use to extend the selection or of course to shrink it. So we should be able to select any phrase, any sentence, and that we want to select and copy. Once you have it all selected, whatever you want to copy, you should be able to find the copy option. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Now, once you want to paste the text, so first we need to find any text field, anywhere you want to paste something, and most of the time, once you open the keyboard for the first time, you will find the copied text here at the top of the keyboard. So you can just tap on it to immediately paste that selected text. If for some reason you don't see it in here, you can open the clipboard by using this icon here right next to settings. And here you should be able to find pretty much everything that you have copied on your phone so far, including your latest copied text. And then if you tap on it, you are going to paste it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.